Hello, today we will guide you through how to download results from Qualtrics. To begin, open your survey in Qualtrics so you're on the Edit Survey page. This is the main workspace where you manage your survey content, and it's the best starting point if you want to export responses. Once you're there, look across the top navigation bar for the Data and Analysis tab and click it. This section is where Qualtrics stores and manages the responses that have been collected from your survey. After the Data and Analysis page loads, move to the top right area of the screen and select Export and Import. This menu gives you access to options for moving your data in or out of Qualtrics. When the dropdown appears, choose Export Data. That will open the export settings, where you can decide what file format you want to use for your results. At this point, you'll see several export format options. One option is TSV, which stands for Tab Separated Values. This format can be useful if you plan to work with the data in certain analysis tools or import it into systems that prefer plain text tables. Click TSV to view or select that option. You'll also see an Excel option. Excel is often the easiest choice if you want a spreadsheet that's simple to open, review, sort, and share. Click Excel if that's the format you want for your exported survey results. Choosing the right format depends on how you plan to use the data afterward, so it's worth taking a second here to confirm you're selecting the best option for your workflow. Another available option is Google Drive. If you want your exported results connected with Google's tools or stored in that environment, click Google Drive. This can be helpful if your team works primarily in shared cloud documents and spreadsheets. Once you've selected the export option you want, click Export to start the process. Qualtrics will then begin preparing your results for download or transfer depending on the format and destination you chose. If the file takes a moment to generate, that's normal, especially for surveys with a large number of responses. And that's it. By opening your survey, going to Data and Analysis, selecting Export and Import, choosing Export Data, picking your preferred format, and then clicking Export, you can download your Qualtrics results quickly and efficiently. If you're exporting regularly, it may also help to stay consistent with your format choice, so your files are easier to compare later.